On this is page number 6 in your note packet. This is sample number 3 on there, and we're doing synthetic division. Synthetic division is different than synthetic substitution because when you do synthetic division, the result is an equation, not just a number. If you want synthetic substitution, it's the last number that you get. When you're doing synthetic division, it's an equation that you want as a result. So these are a little bit strange, but they're way better than polynomial long division. So let's get this set up. The first thing to do when you're setting this up is to take what you're dividing by and set it equal to 0. So pretend that it was a factor of it. And then add the 1 to get the x by itself, so x would be 1. So we're going to do synthetic division with 1 outside of the box. So check your equation. I've got a power of 3 for my highest power, then I've got a power of 2, got a power of 1, have a power of 0, I've got my constant. So I have all the places that I need for my synthetic division or synthetic substitution if I was doing that. Copy the coefficients into the box. So I've got 4, I've got 1, I've got -3, and I've got 7. And then bring this 1 that you had figured out front. So 1 goes out front there, and then drop the 4 down and out. So that's the initial setup. All the time you're doing that same process. Then multiply to get in and add to get out. So 4 times 1 is 4, add 4 and 1 is 5. 5 times 1 is 5, -3 and 5 added together is 2. 2 times 1 is 2, 7 plus 2 is 9. So you're done with the process, and if it was substitution, 9 would be the answer, but since we want division here, we want an equation for an answer. So the answer for this, or an expression, sorry, is to start at the first place, and when we did long division, I want you to notice that when we divided by x, we divided x cubed by x, and we would get something x squared. So the first term here is decreased. Since we're dividing by x, we're decreasing that power on the x by 1. So this would be 4, it was x cubed, now it's x squared. Then the next place will be 5x. The next place will be the constant. And then we have this extra place here, which is weird. That's your remainder. So you're going to write the 9 in the numerator, and then the divisor, which was x minus 1, in the bottom. And then this is what it would be if we had done long division, but we did this with synthetic division. So much easier than polynomial long division. So obviously x minus 1 is not a factor because it didn't divide perfectly. If it was a factor, we would not have this remainder on here. We would have ended up with a 0 on the end, and then we would have continued factoring it.